Senate has sounded an alarm following the revelation that pending bills owed by counties have tripled over the past 3 years. Speaking during the County Procurement Congress in Naivasha, Senate Majority Leader Aaron Cheriot warned that unless urgent measures are taken, suppliers may stop doing business with counties altogether, triggering legal battles and potential paralysis of county operations.
We are currently reviewing the Supplies Practitioners Management Act and also reviewing the general regulations. And those are some of the areas we'll be seeing a lot of support from both the Senate and Parliament. We are also looking at, we've also had discussions around representation of the profession in major statutory organs, including the committees of the Senate and also committees in Parliament and other statutory organs that ensure that we have a professional procurement for service delivery to our people.
As an institute, we have an obligation under the Supplies Practitioners Management Act to register, license, train, discipline, and regulate supply chain professionals. And I think we have seen a very positive trajectory in our country in the recent past. Out of reinvigorated interventions, we have seen the growth of our membership to about 28,000 professionals in the recent past.
If you remove Nairobi, whose pending bill story is a different animal altogether, I think it's in excess of 100 billion plus, because it includes historical things from the days of city council and the rest. The rest of the counties as well, their figures are growing exponentially, and it's something if we don't keep an eye on, people will stop supplying goods and services to our counties because they'll say we will never be paid, and you run the risk of court action. Very soon you'll find that courts begin to award contractors and suppliers, and if they garnish the county accounts, then they will actually defund county government.